Yo, it's your boy Kofi Smart. So we pay entertainment news bia, or trending news bia, unko baby weakness media, obey the correct amount. Hey, on do maybe na wo. Mr. Wani ye kwanso, me power chow. Subscribe my. Say the bay the bibia tuma ubenya. Why me dance?
What's it then? Come be Yami one or Yamma Shabby. Why?
Hello, lovely people. Bless you for coming. About Week Mix Media. Yeah, so today we do room our SM boss Shatta Wale account. We all know what is going on the media top currently. As I'm talking with you, the FBI almost swat Accra big boys, like crazy. And Shatta Wale godfather Kofi Boat. And so yeah, one of them matches a FBI for in Sakano. Then I'm for shall see a link Shatta Wale to it say Shatta Wale godfather any action the any Shatta Wale so and sabe war fraud activity nim. Shatta Wale be your first video blasting the haters, and also the another video about Bontini on how our FBI for I check it through the stuff and we say oh no it's so clean. And I don't want to waste your time, just want to take you through now. You could see Wale on this embrace here.
They watch some Nigeria guys say Ghana there. As you guys say Ghana, you see Ghanaians not enough Ghanaians. And man, send this message to anybody. Hey, if you know if you did there with somebody they tell you Shatta Wale be junkie, Shatta Wale they take code, Shatta Wale they do this, and Shatta Wale they do that, and Shatta Wale they do fraud, and you believe it be at your own risk. Because you people fool, plenty of you fool, like the music industry people. Where do they spread foolish news about Shatta Wale? No, they do on my. If there's somebody on my inside say no Shatta there, no be real music they do. Me ya me train music, me ya me true music, because from generation of music, you people see the job like it be poor man job. Nobody the highest car where got artists go forget. Then they go talk say he get money. The Benz or Range Rover. Bro, I didn't come to play like that. You understand me? Go check my accounts. Go check my list of things. Bro, I dey chop music money rough. The Sakara boy dressing, I go dress like Sakara boy. Because I go take beat your mind. Because you go see say Shatta Wale, Saka. Yeah, I go take that dressing. Because yeah, who got say mesha mu kaftan, tan and wish any shirt ni, nyaman tan and wish any. Mesha eyes. Me just scam the size. Meto fie, meto cars. I be put the Ghana. If you know you do, Asia. You put it there. So stupid thinking. See the way this my godfather and matter come. Everybody post me and Kofi Boat picture. So if you say, Mama, Mama can't tell me white people they not say most of black people they fool. If you say FBI they Ghana, they never go through Shatta Wale instance. They have gone through my things. I think this Rolls Royce I'm driving, they've not gone through it. They've checked everything. They see it be like the money where I take by the Rolls Royce, legit. It be hard and cash music money. Boy, they give award, then they do some things, then they sit on radio. Poor People Association. You think you can get me? Fuck everything. None of you go figure Shatta Wale. Makam. If I make people take my name, go report to FBI. Make FBI come check me up. They go tell you. The guy is fucking clean. I do real music, bro. The things that they do for Ghana, that's why it boss people your brain. Because see people they feed the Ghana, then some old music if you can talk say, Charlie, I wish Shatta Wale, we have Shatta Wale in our generation. People they say like, oh, it be hype. Because yeah, you won't make you go talk about your artist. Your artist way, since could you still they chase 100,000 Ghana cedi. Bro, I choose to perform a 100,000 Ghana cedi show when I want to perform. I choose to perform a $200,000 show when I want to perform. I choose to perform $100,000 when I want to perform. You're more death. You people can tell me, you don't support where they post those stupid people where you don't get job do for Africa. So you go to post information to people. You are just losers, bro. You are just losers. Because I'm fucking coming to surprise you again. I was surprised. Even Ghana with the people you see. The houses the people die. The cars people die. Shatta Wale, people play with principality. I swear. The evil spirit where you put the play me and this. Mama, Papa, don't play with this boy. Me, God bless me. There's nothing I do for my career inside where everything at this people is be illegal. Go check. As Yamuka say FBI for Ghana. I'm reading for. More from me, no more scanning. As ya, they can't call it Shatta Wale in car. No more. Because the artists, they don't know music business. They wake up, if you only dressing, stage, and video clip, because yeah, we said that be music. We will learn about the music. About to play my own beats, I do everything. There are a whole lot of ways you can make money with your music. If you don't know it, come and see Shatta Wale, I go teach you. That is a secret. Or as I record plenty songs, people don't see it. People don't know. One of my songs, one song alone, if you sell them $10 million, they go buy them. One of my songs, people did if you say everything be scam. Because they bomb many of you with shallow mind and timidity and fear. So most of you get brothers where they sing, if you tell them, Charlie, come Shatta Wale, not chow the way I music. But no, if anybody see me fraud boy, you make mistake. I go shatter like what me. See I blend up. But I'm not who you think I am. Don't make a mistake. Don't judge a book by its cover. You go make mistake big time. You go make mistake. Don't play like that. Bro, wise up and open your true and listen. Because more Jimmy to do Ghana. That's why this year a whole lot of things they go on. I don't want to talk about that. But I just feel pain. Say somebody we are know we get into some act we are never know say they into that act. Bro. Like this is what I'm not gonna do. People they vex me like the way people they post my picture and it's like if you say FBI they think like your father's and mother's house. Like your stupid parents where they do house with they get a timidity where they take grow people with Kojo Wady and Kaka. No, me I don't know Kaka, but I'm doing music. If I want to do a show, I want to charge $1 million, I can charge $1 million. They go pay me. I'm worth it. So don't play with this nigga, my nigga. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. If you play, you go make mistake. They play people they play there. If you mistake, play people they do. Bro, all those way they post those nonsense. Me as I day, if me now they take care of myself. Of course, I don't even get that. Father, mother, go call mother, father, bro. We're living a life, bro. So if you play with yourself, you go make mistakes. Shatta Wale, you go make mistake with me. Hard mistake. Because you go see the thing like, oh, this guy there, Shatta there. Hey, you don't watch my dress here. Me, I go be dressed like Rambo. Go feel dressed like, what say? If you see Rambo for movie, you won't see Rambo 2 for town, see Rambo the hold gun. Mama. If you watch me and you say, yeah, this guy, they watch Little Baby, Little Deco. That's what I'm doing, dog. Ghana is a very peaceful and loving place, the best place in the world. When you're working out, you make money. Come on for there. Most of you lazy rats, lazy, stupid boys and girls. You know how work. You did there, then you can't talk nonsense about somebody. Everybody mother,